the truth.
And what is up guys, Nitros here, and today we're gonna have a Q&A. So before this video even starts, quick shoutout to Russell Evangelista. Anyway guys, let's start. So our first question comes from California Wacky. What is your favorite thing about being a YouTuber? Well, my favorite thing about being a YouTuber is making content for my viewers such as you guys like I'm doing right now. Next, from the True Mark Gaming. Would you ever make any other content other than vlogs? Well, that's a good question. But if you guys, for my older fans, for the original subscribers of this channel, you guys probably know about this very old, cringy gaming channel that I used to do. I used to do Paladins and Call of Duty Black Ops, and I'm gonna agree with you guys, it was outstandingly cringy. Like, I no longer affiliate myself with that channel. This is my main channel. I want all of you guys to forget that I have a gaming channel. I'm not sure if I would make any other content than vlogs. I could do unboxing videos every now and then, but I'm honestly not sure. Next, from Kim Tries Comedy. Number 1, what is your main purpose on YouTube? Well, my main purpose right now is to build up my subscriber count, get lots of views, and eventually end up making money out of YouTube. Because if you guys don't know, I just make these videos for you guys. I don't make money yet. Number 2, next school year, do you still plan to be consistent and balance YouTube with academics, or distance yourself from making videos in times when it is necessary? Have a good day, and I'm happy you got to upload a video. So, fine. So in this upcoming school year, I am honestly not sure if I'm going to stay as consistent as I am right now, because the reason why I blacked out from YouTube last time was because of school. So right now I'm planning to stay consistent with YouTube with academics. I'll try. For example, I'll finish school on the weekdays, then just upload a video or two on the weekend. Let's try that. Next question comes from Miguel Bukis. Do you believe I can fly? Grammar though. Shout out to my girl. Sure, I believe you can fly, and yes, shout out to your girl. Next, from Holly. Did you got inspired? I'm reading it as it says. Saying, did you got inspired by That's Bella by being a YouTuber? No, not necessarily. I was inspired primarily by Will Dasovich and Daniel Marsh. But I know That's Bella and she's a good YouTuber. Next, from Zia. What are your thoughts on unicorns? I know, random isn't it? So, thoughts on unicorns. I think unicorns are pretty cool. Yeah, this is a random question. So, yes, I think unicorns are pretty cool. Next, from Tabitha. What can you live without and what can you not live without? Just one thing. Also, shout out please. Shout out to you, Tabitha. So, what can you live without? I can honestly live without, for example, I can live without an iPad because it's just merely a gadget. It's not gonna help me out survive that much. And what can you not live without? Food. I cannot live without food. Alright, next from AP1704ML. Well, that's a mouthful. Do you has a favorite car? I'm reading it as this. Intentional wrong grammar. Well, my favorite car has to be the Aston Martin Vulcan or the Nissan GTR. Next, from TreeTrunk88, questions. Number 1, who's your fave YouTuber? Well, that's Mitch. Number 2, what's your fave color? Mint green or teal? Number 3, do you play any instrument? Yes, I play ukulele and piano. Number 4, fave movie? Yeah, my favorite movie is The Last Samurai starring Tom Cruise. Number 5, can you draw? Not much. Say. Number 6, which side are you on? Cleveland or Golden State Warriors? I'm a Cleveland person. Yes, I like Cleveland Cavaliers. Go ahead and hate in the comments. I just like the theme, that's all. Okay, next question is from Marydale. Number 1, it's been summer in LaSalle for a month now. What took you so long with this video? Well, to be honest, I just didn't think I was ready to make a video yet, so, Number 2, any other plans besides ToyCon this month? Well, I'm planning to go to the beach this month and I have a few more videos planned. So stay tuned. Number 3, do you have a girlfriend? Okay, I read that right. I'm gonna ask my mom. Mom, can I have a girlfriend?
What? Of
course not, you're still too young. You have to study first.
Okay guys, you heard her. Number 4, what is this year's sub count goal? Well, I hope to reach 200 or more subscribers this year. Number 5, if you were a dog breed, which one would you be and why? I'd be a Shiba Inu because those things look like toasted marshmallows. Number 6, can I get a shout out because I made lots of questions? Yes, shout out to you, Marydale. From Kenneth Evangelista. If this is that, where does there do? Okay? Yes or nah? Okay, I'm just gonna say yes because I don't understand the question. Okay, anyway guys, this has just been a quick Q&A. I have more videos planned on coming soon, so just stay tuned, don't worry. And I'm saying that because I am not out of ideas, just saying. Anyway guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on notifications once you do. Anyway guys, I've been Nitros, and I'll see you later.